this running coach got over 2,600 leads with just a 6-page ebook. And she didn't run ads, she didn't build a website, she did it all in the Instagram DMs. So in this video, I will show you how the funnel works, what the conversion numbers were, and how you can build the same funnel without needing a crazy tech stack. And believe me, it's easier than you think. Let's break it down. So the running coach is Claire Bartalik, and she runs the Instagram account The Planet Runner. And she's a plant-based running and mindset coach, and she helps other people with running marathons. And she gave away something super simple. She created a 6-page ebook called The Ultimate Nutrition Guide, which shows runners what to eat before, during, and after their runs. And that's it. No webinar, no masterclass, no crazy funnel, just a free actionable guide that answered one simple question her audience kept asking her, which is, what should I eat to run better? And she answered it with a 6-page guide, and it worked really well. So now you might be wondering, why did this work so well? And it wasn't just the guide. It was the way how we delivered it. Because we didn't use a landing page. We didn't say, hey, go to my link in bio. What we did is that we kept everything inside Instagram. So whenever someone commented guide on any of Claire's posts, they would get an automatic DM. And then inside that DM conversation, we asked for their name, we asked for their email, and then we delivered the guide. And it's super simple, like there's no friction. People don't have to leave the app. And because it feels like a normal conversation, a lot of more people actually respond. So here's how the funnel works on Instagram. Claire posts something new on Instagram, and then in her caption, she says, to get my free guide, simply comment guide and I will send it over in your DMs. So whenever someone comments with guide, two things happen. One, they get an automatic comment reply from Claire telling that they need to go to their Instagram DMs. And then two, they get a message in their DMs automatically. And then in that first message, we say, it sounds like you're ready to optimize your fueling. Just click the button below in order to get my free guide. So whenever someone clicks on that button, they basically get the next message where we say, awesome, just a few quick steps to get you access. What is your first name? And then when they reply with their first name, we send them the next message, basically asking for their email. And then we say, to what email do you want your free guide sent to? And then once they give their email, they get the free guide all inside the DMs. And that's it. No website, no paid ad, no link in bio, just a very simple chat funnel that lives inside Instagram. So let me show you the results that Claire got with this funnel. So in total, 3,373 people started this funnel by commenting on one of her posts. Then out of those people, 2,603 people gave their name and gave their email. And that's a 77% conversion rate, which is extremely high. And keep in mind, no paid ads, no website, no link in bio, just content, a strong lead magnet, and a chat funnel that works inside Instagram. And the best part is that this funnel keeps working. Like, we just created it once and now it works forever. So whenever Claire posts something new and she mentions the guide again, more people will comment, more people will go through the funnel, and more people will end up on our email list. And we created this funnel with a tool called ManyChat. So ManyChat is one of the best DM automation platforms in the world, and I basically use it for all of my clients that are using Instagram DM automation. So let me just show you how this funnel works in Claire's ManyChat account, and I will just show you how simple this is to set up. So here I am in Claire's ManyChat account, and as you can see, like, this entire funnel is just like 5 messages. It's just really simple to set up. So here you basically have like the first message that basically says, okay, it sounds like you're ready to optimize fueling, and you can see like the results that you got. You can see how many people clicked. And then whenever they click on that button, then it says, awesome, just a few quick steps to get the free guide in your inbox. What is your name? Then what is your email? And then here, it's basically the ending. Excited for you to simplify your fueling. Here's the download for you. That's basically it. That's like the entire thing that we created. And as you can see over here is that whenever we get someone's email in ManyChat, we automatically add it to Kit. And Kit is Claire's email marketing platform. And this makes sure that whenever we get someone's email, it automatically builds her email list as well. So if you want to get this exact funnel in your own DMs, I have a full tutorial how you can set this up step by step. So click on this video to get started.